Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Instax Mini 12 stock on S. Is your Instax Mini 12 showing the orange flashing lights or getting stuck on S? Don't worry, because this problem is usually fixable without replacing the camera. The first thing you should do is replace the batteries using two brand new AA alkaline batteries, preferably from Duracell or Energizer. Avoid cheap zinc batteries since low battery power is one of the most common causes according to both Fujifilm troubleshooting information and user reports. If possible, replace the batteries while the lens is extended. After that, turn the camera off, wait about 10 seconds, and turn it back on. If the problem remains, inspect the film slot for a jammed or partially ejected film. If you see film stuck inside, don't pull it out forcefully. Instead, turn the camera off, install fresh batteries, and power it back on, since many users report that camera automatically finishes ejecting the film. You should also verify that the film pack is installed correctly. Open the back cover and make sure the yellow mark on the cartridge lines up with the yellow mark inside the camera. If they don't align, carefully reinsert the film pack and close the back cover completely. If none of the steps solve the issue and the camera is still under warranty, Fujifilm recommends contacting support or returning the camera to the retailer for service. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.